Dr. Formulated Shampoo. This doctor-developed scalp relief shampoo soothes, calms and nourishes an itchy scalp and promotes scalp repair as it cleanses, all with a prescription-free formula. Multi-action scalp care. The scalp treatment shampoo with Therapeutic Psorzema Herbal Blend relieves a scaly, flaky and dry scalp, and the gentle tea tree oil shampoo supports future scalp health. All-natural formula. Tea tree and menthol help calm and cool itch for on-contact scalp relief. Salicylic acid lifts away excess flakes and surface buildup. Aloe Vera Extract soothes irritation, and Provitamin B5 deeply hydrates and nourishes. Daily hair care. This DERMA E scalp shampoo is gentle enough for daily use. For best results, massage the scalp health shampoo into wet hair and allow to penetrate for up to 5 minutes. Rinse and follow with DERMA E Scalp Relief Conditioner. DERMA E. Clean beauty products that harness nature's most effective ingredients. 100% vegan and cruelty-free, our eco-ethical haircare products contain no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, petrolatum, lanolin, gluten, soy or GMOs, and are supplied in recyclable packaging. Top reviews from the United States. Very good shampoo. I really like this shampoo, but the plastic bottle is too hard to squeeze. I have arthritis and can't squeeze this bottle.